So, actually, it's the 19th today. Aga ako gumising kasi I think it's already for something, 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Kasi I'm gonna go ahead and papalit ako ng bedsheet kasi uwi ako ng Binangonan and for sure I might be back home dito sa Marikina ng probably Sunday na. Tapos today is Thursday. So, Sunday na ako makakabalik dito. So, I know for sure na hindi papalitan ni Ryan yung bedsheet namin. So, para naman before Christmas, bago yung sheets namin. So, naging busy na ako and stuff kasi, yeah, it's the Christmas season. So, I'm just gonna, may binili akong sheet na sobrang love na love ko. This is the sheets. Ayan, bago yan. Ay, naiinis ako, guys. Naiinis talaga ako. Yung in-order ko sa Shopee, talaga. Bad trip. Hindi ko naman chinig kasi the other one was okay. And then this one, for single Nakbo. Bad trip talaga. Naka-stress.
May bisita lang, baka sakali may bisita dumating. Kaya magpapalit kami. Pero, honestly, malinis to.
Sige. Ay, anyways, nagawa naman ng paraan. I just don't like it talaga. Pero, malinis naman yung bedsheet namin. Kakapalit ko lang like, parang last week ata. Problema kasi, sabi ko, I wanted pink and light para for Christmas. Anyways, so I just used the old sheets and then I just flattened tapos may black sa dulo para may contrast. Ngayon, that's it. Yun na yun. Okay. Inis ako sa Shopee. Parang napaka-responsible. Like, yung isa, okay naman. Pero yung, ito nga, yung bed, yung mismong sheet niya, queen size, hindi. Ay, nako. Anyways, hindi ko na mababalik kasi tagal ko na siyang in-order, guys. Before pa ako nag-apartment dito. Anyways. Anyway, yun lang. Rant. Hello, guys. So, it's already 4:30 something. So, nagtutupi na ako ng undies namin. Kasi, I know for a fact na hindi ito tutupi ni Ryan and he's not gonna get yung laundry, mga pinaglabhan. So, alam ko alis ako tomorrow and I'm not gonna be home for a couple of days. So, malamang sa malamang, pag iniwan ko to, hindi niya kukunin and it's gonna, once I get back, it's still there. So, alam naman natin, mga lalaki, ganun talaga kayo. Ganon talaga kayo, mga lalaki. Ayun. Ay, alam niyo guys, sorry, kasi sobrang baba nung videos ko, especially dito sa bedroom, kasi nga, wala pa kaming bed frame. And, yung in-orderan ko ng paleta, kasi ang gusto ko kasi, like a Japanese style bed, na mababa lang. Bilang, ang sexy naming dalawang mag-asawa. So, that's my plan. So, I figured na a paleta would do. Cute yun. A paleta would do because it's more convenient for both of us. Pero yung paleta is like, parang, depende kasi sa kapal nun eh. So, kung makapal yung paleta, I think it's just gonna be one layer. But if it's too thin, syempre, gusto kong doblehin. But, yung in-order na akong paleta sa Angono, I was about to pick it up na via Lalamove. Kaso, sinabi ng girl, may nakakuha na daw. So, I was really disappointed kasi the price was really good. Normally, a new paleta na treated na, guys, is I think about 300 to 350. Ayan. But with her, I only parang nakuha ko lang siya for 250. And then, natawaran ko pa siya kasi I was planning to get 4. So, sabi ko, baka pwede na siyang 230. Kasi you have to think about the expenses na pag i-deliver pa dito sa Marikina. So, ayun. Hindi ko na siya nakuha. So, parang I got sad na, and then I was not able to do a follow-up na sa iba. Kasi, alam yun, ewan ko sa inyo guys, pag kasi ako nawala ng gana, parang tatama rin na ako, ganyan. Which is, I know it's wrong, but, ayun. Ang dami kong gustong gawin dito sa kwarto. To be honest guys, mag-iisang buwan na kami dito ni Ryan sa apartment, and yung mga gamit ko nasa bag pa rin. Nasa ano pa rin, nasa parang maleta, bagahe, ganyan. So, but hopefully, namin din kasing ganap ni Ryan, especially he has work, and syempre yung work niya is parang ano lang, parang sideline or racket na gusto niyang ipag-focus because that's where we get our expenses, especially yung food namin and stuff. But hopefully next year talagang maayos ko na tong kwarto kasi gusto ko ayusin yung kwarto ko, especially I have I'm very privileged kasi I can work from home and wala pa akong office table, and yeah, so dami pang kulang, and we don't wanna spend a lot kasi nga sabi ni Ryan pwede naman daw upuin yun. And knowing me, your girl, knowing me, ang dami kong gustong mabili agad at like one time lang. Ganun. Dami pa. So, hopefully, I know na unti-unti yan matutupad. Especially na nag-work kami hand-in-hand ng asawa ko. So, yun. 6. I think maaga ako ngayon kasi I have a coverage for a class. Kasi may sakit yung co-trainer ko. So, I'm gonna handle his class and uwi ako ng binamon after my shift. So excited kasi birthday ng dad ko, and I'm gonna do something different today guys. Kasi typically, pag umalis ako ng bahay, nakaayos na ako. But today, dadalhin ko lang yung mga pang-ayos ko ng mukha. Pang-ayos ng mukha. And then, I'm gonna show you how I get ready sa office and do my makeup sa office. Yes.
Watch out. Ulam namin ay wala. Kasi kapag sa office. So dumating yung aking bagong watch. Okay? By Call Me. Ordered by Christian. Ayan, salamat kapatid. In-order na para sa... Actually, sale lang to sa Shopee. Pero iba yung presyo niya pag regular price. Medyo pricey. So, ayun, lawa na naman sa wala. Let's open it. Actually, wala rin ibang available na color. Gold na lang yung nakuha ko para lang meron ako. Kasi, inisip ko kasi pag nag-chat-chat si Belle, at least nababasa ko ka, uy, yung asawa ko nag-chat. Kaya dapat kayo pag may asawa, smartwatch ang gamitin mo. Shoutout kay Insel Richard kasi sa pagsama sa akin kahapon. Even though we are luhaan, pero sabi niya, huwag daw ako manghinayang na sa biyahe kaysa naman na lugi dun sa bibili unit. So, sabi ko salamat kasi naman naman. So, ito yung wow. Actually, ano siya, smartwatch. You can answer your call using this smartwatch. Kasi meron siyang call function.
Tapos hindi mo ko naisipan bilan?
Kasi you have already.
Nasasagot ko ba yun?
Mas importante nabasa mo yung chat ko. So, yun lang, nakuha ko yung Vogue kasi wala talagang available. Pero,
Maganda yan, para bihiramin ko yan.
Pero at least, here,
May maganda, Bin.
medyo elegant look. Actually kasi, kaya rin ako bumili kasi nga, hindi ko pang chat yung asawa ko. Uy, nag-chat yung asawa ko. Pinauwi na ako. Ayan. Bigyan namin ito ng
Maraming salamat. At gold ang pinili mo. Di ba, Bi?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Actually, yung pagsuot ko kanina, makakita mo na. Pagpapakita ko, hindi talaga para sa akin yun, para sa kanya.
Kasi naman, ganitong kulay ang pinili. Oh, ako tuloy nagkaroon ng relo. And then, anyways, that's it. I'm going to the office. Sorry, medyo pangit yung itsura ko today, but this is my outfit. Ayan. So, I'm wearing an animal print and then rubber shoes kasi uwi akong binangonan. So, I have to be comfy. Okay. Bye.
I believe you'll be somebody, someone I could call the one. You're gonna be my only, only. one. You gon' be my only, only. I can see that you are watching. I'ma make you fall in love. Just sit back and watch me work, 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 daddy. Watch me while I work, 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 work. Yeah, now let me do my work, 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 daddy. Watch me while I work, 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 daddy. Yeah, yeah.
Ikaw na lang, friend, sa picture. Saan ba yung camera? Video, be. The coffee. Yeah. Video yan, friend. Dito ako pinakain sa kalsada ni Aina. Bakit? Grabe ka.
To achieve understanding, to avoid miscommunication, absolutely. Okay, for clarity, yes. That's why we also paraphrase, right? For better understanding, have a smooth conversation and to build a
Happy birthday, Daddy! Dad! Happy birthday! Oh, pinagsundo na kaagad kita. I'm home! I'm home. I'm back. Tagal niyo sumagot. Hi, Ma! Birthday ni Dad, guys. And I'm here in Binangonan. Ang bahay. Yung Dad. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, Dad. Ha? Malalasing?